Still using U-bolts? There's a better way. Great Dane's innovative AnchorPoint mounting system is engineered for long-term strength, durability, and return on investment, and comes standard on all Great Dane truck bodies. Traditional mounting systems rely on U-bolts and wood filler strips that compress over time, can loosen with frame movement, and require ongoing maintenance. AnchorPoint replaces U-bolts with welded tie-down angles engineered to flex with the chassis, eliminating wood fillers and reducing the need for retightening. With no filler strips, there's no compression, no trapped moisture, and no rot, helping prevent body movement and extending the life of the truck body. The result is less maintenance, less downtime, easier future body swaps, and lower total cost of ownership. The AnchorPoint mounting system, used to improve uptime and ROI. Learn more about this truck body game changer at greatdane.com.